That main chance for severe weather is starting during rush hour this afternoon. And this is the first time we've had a threat for severe weather like this since May of 2021. This system looks to become our next major hurricane before making landfall. That's expected to happen somewhere between Sunday and Monday, making landfall in the Gulf as a Category 3 storm. But the better chance for those strong storms really going to be focused along the coast. So by 2 o'clock, we're going to be clearing out the cold front that everyone is talking about. First model we're going to look at is the GFS, and right now the GFS is just showing a much more widespread and longer lasting system. These are the storm reports from just the last 24 hours across the entire state. Widespread, we have everything from snow, hail, and especially tornadoes. First one we need to talk about is out of Elgin. We have some amazing footage that happened just yesterday. You can see where it's coming down at HEB. Once it makes contact with the parking lot though, begins to melt, so there's no impact to the roadway. But check this out. We have a great little explainer for those types of winter precipitation. And what we saw today, that was sleet. Temperatures are going to be 80 degrees today. So how is all of this possible? Well, underneath this ice rink, there's basically a large refrigerator system, the piping that moves through it. And that works to keep the ice temperature set at -5 degrees. You know who actually has, and I'm going to out him right now, a hidden candy stash?
What?
Bill Taylor.
No way.
We've been snacking on it back in the Weather Center. Oh,
Hey, hello?
This will hopefully be our last freeze of the season, typically in the San Antonio area, falling between the middle of February and the middle of March. The longest partial lunar eclipse that we've had in almost 600 years. That's going to start Thursday night into Friday morning. Loop 410 East at exit 20. We are dealing with some congestion there, plus 2 disabled vehicles right next door on 281. Look at what's happening right now as you're getting ready to head out on your lunch break. Check that out in the camera. You can actually see it's shaking from that wind, still coming in at about 20 miles per hour, and that is going to be steady wind. We're even seeing gusts a little bit stronger than that. 63 degrees, beautiful, sunny, but a cooler day. And check out those dew point temperatures. They're in the 30s, and that's the dry air that's now moved in following that cold front, giving us a much quieter and more dry day, not feeling that humidity. Storms have continued to push east. They're now moving across Louisiana and Mississippi. Check this out. The threat for severe weather has pushed east out of Texas and across the deep south. That yellow tornado watches that are in place right now as the storm system continues to push east and gain strength. As far as what we saw here in South Texas, mainly just hail reports, but Austin across central Texas, that's where the tornado watches and warnings really went into place. And the National Weather Service will be out today surveying those reports and will be confirming any tornadoes, letting us know the damage that they're seeing. As far as what's happening, though, here in South Texas, we are still looking at fire danger in place today and for the rest of the week. Highest danger extreme across Cotulla and over the Rio Grande, where those very dry areas are in place. Unfortunately, didn't see any rainfall across most of the Rio Grande yesterday. So fire danger will be in place. Avoid any outdoor burning, especially with strong wind gusts still in place. Fire will catch quickly. Over the next 12 hours, still going to be seeing lots of sunshine. Beautiful next couple of days for us with cooler temperatures back in the low 70s. Air coming in from the northwest, and it's just going to allow for those temperatures to remain a bit cooler, especially across the hill country and for the central portion of San Antonio. Rio Grande, of course, going to be a bit warmer, 81 in George West, 81 in Beeville, but cooler at 73 in San Antonio, 63 in Boerne. And taking a look at what's going to be happening throughout the rest of the week, right now we have this dip in our upper level air pattern. That's allowing for that cold air coming in from the north and giving us those temperatures in the 70s. But over the next couple of days, that upper level pattern will start to push east and warmer air will filter in, causing temperatures to warm back up into the weekend and returning us to the 80s as we head into Friday and Saturday. Taking a look at what's happening in your 7-day forecast. Again, cooler for the next couple of days, sunny and dry throughout the entire week, and warmer air finally on the way as we head into the weekend, returning to the 80s by Saturday and Sunday. So Alana, great day to head out to the pool as we head into the weekend. Beautiful weather we're hoping for right now, but what we're looking at as you are heading out on your Monday is going to be at least warmer temperatures later this week. For right now, 55 degrees at the San Antonio airport. We saw just a few minutes ago that massive drop in temperature across all of Texas. Now taking a closer look here at home across South Texas. Texas. Those temperatures dropped quickly overnight, and this change shows the last 24 hours. From this time yesterday in Pleasanton, 30-degree drop in Floresville, 27-degree drop in San Antonio. So cooler weather is certainly here, and the wind is not helping. We've been dealing with strong wind gusts throughout the entire day, with max wind speeds about 20 miles per hour coming in from the north-northwest. Going to continue to see those strong wind gusts as we head into the week. For right now, we are looking at mainly dry conditions. Few spotty showers closer to the coastline, not quite reaching us here in San Antonio, but there could be some rainfall for tomorrow. Right now, just seeing a few spotty showers closer to Cuero, mainly moving out as we head into a primarily dry rest of our evening. Over the next 12 hours, temperatures are going to continue to drop, keep the heat on overnight. Not dropping below freezing, but certainly going to be chilly, falling to about 47 degrees into 3 a.m. Cloud coverage remains over us. As for what we're going to be seeing as we head into the rest of the week again, forecasted wind gusts are going to be sticking around, staying strong for us into the evening. Going to continue to see wind speeds about 20 miles per hour. And as we head into our Tuesday, staying strong for us. That's because we're going to continue to feel that cold air. Temperatures going to stay in the 50s as we head into the day tomorrow. But we are looking at wind speed going to begin to diminish heading into our Wednesday. Temperatures warming back up. As far as the chance for showers, the best chance will be overnight tonight into early Tuesday morning. You can see this is 12:30 in the morning on Tuesday, mainly staying closer to Victoria and Beeville there. We could see a few scattered showers making their way into Seguin as well as Gonzales as we head into about 4 or 5 a.m. So if you're one of those early risers, maybe up with our morning news crew, could be running into a few of those showers heading into your Tuesday morning. But again, everything is staying closer to I-10 up near New Braunfels and Austin, as well as closer to Victoria. Taking a look at those temperatures over the next 5 days, we are feeling a warm up into Thursday. Warmer air is on the way, hitting the 70s before we cool back down. Another approaching cold front will move in, dropping temperatures back into the 50s and bringing our next chance for rainfall into Friday and bringing, unfortunately, Alana, a cool weekend ahead for us.